Oh, hi there.
I'm here to ask you a few questions.
Oh, come in.
What do you do exactly?
Well, I'm an elegance coach and I'm also a certified image consultant, helping women become more elegant, more refined.
Awesome. How do you do your coaching?
So I have a self-study program inside my online finishing school where women can study at their own pace and time.
What's your signature course?
It's called Secrets of the Elite Woman.
I'm already interested.
Great, because it took me years to develop it and it's absolutely amazing.
What exactly do your students learn?
So, I have developed this formula for ladies who want to upgrade in life, become more elegant, more refined, and you have to go through certain steps in order to achieve that. So we go through those steps one by one, and those steps can be improving your mindset, your personal brand, your personal appearance, your networking skills, and your etiquette, and many more.
And how is that different to your YouTube content?
Very, very, very different. So my YouTube channel is all about kind of just having fun and entertainment versus my program. That's where the magic happens, because if you want to upgrade in life, you really have to go through all these steps that I'm talking about, this formula, and you have to go through it in depth, just like my students do. So we have about 150 lessons spread over 6 modules, plus bonuses, and this way you are going to achieve success because you go through it really, really deep. And yes, the bonuses are amazing.
Tell me more about the bonus content.
So they help you improve your confidence, your dating life, upgrading your lifestyle, and many more. Plus, we have a student group.
And who is this course for?
Anyone, really. Any women out there who want to live up to their potential, live a more elegant and refined life, and you can come from anywhere in the world, be from any age group, it doesn't matter.
What does elegance mean to you?
It means living gracefully every day, living with poise, but also elevating every aspect of your life.
If I want to elevate my life, where can I sign up?
Right here. And afterwards, I will see you in the course.